Hello everyone, it's Juliet and Alfie and we are back at the show with Grandad, aren't we? Because he's behind the camera. And we have been doing a lot this morning. What have we been doing so far?
I've been driving an electric vehicle.
Yep, you have. What else have you done? Did we go out for breakfast?
We went to McDonald's to go out for breakfast.
We did, and we've bought you a new top as well, haven't we? We're playing out with. Oh, and are you going to show you your top? Have a look at this, everyone. Alfie's got the same t-shirt as Grandad. So you're pressed today as well, aren't you? And what kind of caravan are we sat in? Can you remember?
A Swiss Celebration.
There you go, everyone. It's a dealer special and it's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to go and have a look round to everyone else, and we're going to say thank you to Glossop Caravans for letting us film in this caravan. So come along, and what else? We're going to have lots more things to do, aren't we?
Lots more fun.
Yeah, lots more fun.
Bye.
I'm going to show you Seekers, okay? This is the Seekers board, and when you're on a walk in the woods or in the countryside, you have to search out, okay, for all the objects on your board. And when you spot a feather, do you know what you have to do? All you do is turn the magnet over and say well done, and you carry on looking for all the rest of the objects on your Seekers board. Do you want to hold it and try and turn one over? I'm going to hold your teddy for you. So if you spot a spider's web, then you can, what are you going to do if you spot a spider's web?
Turn it over.
That's it. So, see? There you go. And it's really strong board. It doesn't matter if you drop it in a puddle because it's waterproof, okay? And very robust. And on the, if you turn it over, you turn the board over like that. And then it tells you how to play and also how to look after the countryside when you're out and about walking. Do you like it? And these over here are all the add-on magnet sets, okay, that you can use with your Seekers board. So if you come and have a look, we have Car Journey there with a lovely caravan on. And this is for when you're going in the supermarkets to do your shopping. You have to look for the things in the supermarket, okay? And this one is, do you go to the park? Yes. This is the set you can use at the park. And this one, I'm sure you probably know a lot of colours already and shapes, so it might be a little bit too young for you, that one. So, and there's Seekers.
Hello everyone, I'm in a deal special. And it's from Preston's Caravans. The bathroom's really nice. And I like the kitchen because it's like decorated with plants and stuff. And in the living room now it's really nice because it's got all the colours. And the bed is like, it's a bunk bed, yeah, and next to it there's a table.
Would you like to show the ladies and gentlemen the table?
This is the table now. You can see because it's like a triangle, like a triangle face, yeah, and the seats are really nice. Now we're up to the bunk beds. My favourite bunk bed is the top one. You can see like up top. And the bottom one you can see on the floor. On top you can see up above. And I like it because the ladders, yeah, are like made of metal, then they won't break. Now it's the bathroom. It's really nice because it's got like a nice full sink. Yeah, and it's got like a kind of shower what I can't recognise, but it's really nice. Thank you everyone. This caravan gives me my thumbs up. And sorry it's the end of the video, but bye for now.